How's it going? Today I want to talk about this air hose. Now this air hose is a heavy duty air hose for a shop or a garage. This thing is very hard plastic. It's coiled up real nice. It's a very large amount of hose. Now it comes with a number of different things in order to get this installed. It comes with some nice kind of handy gloves with the grips on the front half. It has this really good cutter tool, which you would definitely need if you need to have different runs of line, or if you want to cut it down to size, very sharp. It's got this little safety thing to lock it in place. Now the hardware to this is extremely durable. The metal is really nice. It's got nice threads to it. If you want, you can put this to help any type of air leaks, because you have this little tape that goes into the threads. You have a bunch of different connectors. You have little plastic pieces if you want to hook this to the wall or run it so that it's kind of out of sight, whether it's on the sides or the ceiling. And again, it has, you know, the different fixtures here for the different size air hoses that you can configure. Comes with these drywall screws, because typically you're going to have the hose in the wall along the inside of your garage, and you're going to have to use that drywall. So those anchors are going to help with those drywall screws. Very convenient, very nice. It's a very cool blue color, so it's obvious to everyone that, hey, there's air coming through here. You don't be cutting on this thing. Very great thing to have if you want to keep your work area clean, or you just have a lot of work to do, blowing off dust and just keeping things nice and orderly. Great thing to have for the garage or the shop.